Welcome to our AI News, AI Mindset channel. We're here to keep you updated on the latest developments in the field of artificial intelligence. First up, OpenAI has released exciting new features for ChatGPT, enhancing user experience with suggested follow-up prompts and more. OpenAI has also filed a trademark application for GPT-5, indicating their progress in developing advanced AI models. Meta has introduced an AI tool called AudioCraft that can generate high-quality music from text, opening up new possibilities for music creation. Meta is also working on chatbots with different personas, which could revolutionize user interactions on their platforms. However, Meta has been accused by the Open Source Initiative of misusing the term open source in relation to their LLaMa models. Google has introduced new features to its AI-powered search results, including image and video summaries, improved YouTube integration, and enhanced article information. In healthcare, researchers have used AI-powered brain implants to restore movement and sensation for a quadriplegic man. Uber is working on an AI-powered chatbot to enhance customer service and automate tasks within their app. The CEO of Palantir, a military technology company, has written an op-ed advocating for the incorporation of AI into defense and military technology. Virtual influencers created using AI, such as Lil Miquela and Emma, are gaining popularity and signing lucrative deals with fashion giants. That concludes our AI News Roundup. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the world of artificial intelligence.